I'll be showing you how to export videos in Adobe Premiere Pro properly. So what you want to do is, this is the video we want to export. So this is what it looks like. I've put my sequence and my timeline. So this is video we want to export. So what you have to do is you come to your file option, scroll down to where you see exports. So you click on the export. So you want to export media, so you click on the media. So this is the interface it brings you to. So if I cancel this, the shortcut to export is just Ctrl M. Can you see it brought us to the same interface that we did for the long cuts? But so shortcut is Ctrl M. So what you want to do here is you want to first of all change your format. So what does format mean? So your format means the kind of way you want your videos to come out. Some can decide to want to export in MP3, that's sounds. Some might want to export in PNG. Can you see there's P2 movies, there's MPEG 4, there's MP4, there's GIF, there's AVI, there's BMP, there's waveform, there's window media. So you can export in whatever format you want to export, but the standard format to use for a proper video is H.264. It's also called MP4. So that is what it's called, H.264. So once you click your H.264, the next option you should click on is your preset. So your preset is an option under your format. So what this means is your preset controls the quality of your output. So you can decide to want to export on high quality 480p, means it is not as strong as high quality 720p. You can still decide to want to export as mobile device 2160p, which is a 4K, and you can determine to want to export on mobile device 720p, which is HD. Do you understand? But the standard format we use is high bitrate. So if I click on high bitrate, you will see it is giving us a 12 MB file. But if I come and click on medium bitrate, it's giving us a 3 MB file. So what that means is it is controlling how strong and the size of our file. Do you understand? The normal standards are always high bitrate, which is exactly the way video is shot, is the way the video is going to come out. So the next option you need to do is click on your output name. So your output name means you have to name whatever you are trying to export. So what you are trying to export is, let's name this exporting video tutorial. So now, where do I want to save it to? I can decide to want to save it in my documents. I can decide to want to save it in my downloads, save it in my Windows. But right now, let's save it in our desktop. So we're saving exporting video tutorial in our desktop. So you press on save. So after you click on save, you can leave the exporting video option, leave this exporting audio option, leave those options. You don't need to play with any other option right now. The metadata means the kind of export option, the kind of file I'm trying to create. What I mean is I can decide to want to create an XML file. I can decide to want to create a script file. I can decide to want to create this video as a Java file. I can decide to want to create this video as a... So queue means if I want to add my video and I want to go queue it in Adobe Media Encoder. So Adobe Media Encoder is another software application under Adobe that exports video. So I can decide to even work in my Premiere Pro and queue it inside Adobe, and I'll close my Premiere Pro and I'll go and sleep. I can export 200 videos and sleep. It's going to take 3 days. It will keep exporting as long as there's light on it. Do you understand? So right now you're just telling me that you want to queue it, but I'm not queuing it. I just want to export it direct. So I go to export and I click on export. So this is our video. This is how it's going to look like when it is exported. It's going to load. So once this is completed to 100, you go to your desktop. Okay, so let's go to our desktop and see the video we did. So come to desktop, to scroll down. This is it, exporting video tutorial. So let's play it and let's see what it looks like. Exporting video tutorial. So this is how to export a video properly in Adobe Premiere Pro.